Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So I see I have 420 of you joined me here in the last 28 days. Spectacular, thank you. I know you're probably here because you know the current way of building. It's pretty much broken. You're tired of the waste too. Well, let's figure out a solution to this. Most guys, they look at a 12-foot stud and they see a top plate. Cut their 11-foot off and that last 12 inches goes into the garbage. Multiply that by a whole house. Probably throwing away 5 to 10 grand of lumber. But that's the thing, it's not just about the money. That's a tree. It's a tree that's lived for 30 years and just got wasted in 30 seconds. So let's figure out a way to change that. What I do, I run my dimensions through my digital nervous system, my G. Before the saw even touches the wood, the AI maps the board. It tells me, hey Dan, that 12-inch cutoff, it's not trash, put it in the stack over there. It's exactly the right size for a pair of cell phone holders, a set of coasters, whatever little thing you can, anything you can make out of this. It's not waste. It just tells me the AI, you know, he's my map. I'm still the driver. I have the way to get there. Finds the purpose for every fiber. We can move from rough construction to precision craft, right on the same budget, wasting nothing, making more money. Because when the math is perfect, the waste is zero. These aren't just trinkets we're building, they're proof of a new standard. We're building Project 1 with this exact logic. Every wall is optimized, every scrap is accounted for. We aren't just building a home, we're building a blueprint for the circular future. I've spent the last 20 years right in the sawdust. I've seen the waste. I felt the burnout. I watched the soul being stripped out of the trades. So what I'm looking to build at Project 1 isn't just a house. It's a prototype for a life. A life that's green, quiet, finally ours. So I see there was 420 of you stop by this channel. And I know most of you just watch, move on. It's no big deal. So I'm looking for the founding 13. Looking for pioneers who want to help me set this cornerstone of this movement. Whether you're a builder, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who believes that precision is a form of respect, I want you in this frame. So I'm not looking for subscribers. I mean, that's a bonus, yes. But what I am looking for, I'm looking for partners. I want people who are ready to stop this $10,000 lie, start building a circular future. So that's you. All you need to do is comment below. Comment, I'm in. Tell me why this all resonates with you. Let's do this together. Join the founding 13. Join the circular future. Let's make a difference.